Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called Sounds and Haptics. Once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the Haptics category. And right here we can turn off or on the vibration, and if you turn it on, you can select between two intensities. You have default and prominent. Select the one you like, and once you're done, you can of course press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.